Oh, well, we were supposed to ask us how much is 2 going to.
Into the 2 now, yeah.
So,
One time. You're trying to figure out how many times does 2 go into this 2 down here?
oh, okay.
One time. And then you take the 1 up here, you multiply by the 2, and you get 2 down here. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so 42 divided by 2, I'm going to just rewrite this. 42 divided by 2 is 21, and then you bring everything else down.
Okay. I got it down.
All right, so now when you have addition, you can just work left to right.
Mhm.
So you just add up the numbers left to right.
So I get the so you define my final answer.
You have to add up those 3 numbers, 6, 21, and 4.
Okay. $31.
Yes. Very good.
Mhm.
Okay, let me make up another problem like this for us to look at.
Yeah.
Let's go 4 plus 18 divided by 6 minus 3. Actually, we'll go plus 3. Okay, so when you see this, when you look at a problem like this, you have addition, you have division, and you have addition. So you have to do the division first. And that does kind of come from your multiplication table, division table, but one way you can divide here is to ask yourself 6 times some number equals 18, and you figure out that number. What number goes in the box here? And that helps you to determine this value.
Is it 3?
It's 3, yeah. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, and then you bring the rest of the numbers down.
And then I add it, right?
Yes.
10?
10, yeah. All right, so let's have you try one here. 5 plus 63 divided by 9 plus 1. So go ahead and give this one a try, please.
Okay. Question.
Yes.
I know it's 63 divided by 9, but does it matter how we start it, or does it have to be 9 divided by 63?
This is from your multiplication table, and yeah, the order matters. So just
Oh,
confirm that number with me before you start.
okay.
What is 63 divided by 9?
Mhm.
This is 7. Okay, so see how you bring down, just like in the other problems, you're going to bring down the other numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you finish this problem for us?
13.
I'm sorry? What did you,
13.
13? Yeah, perfect. Okay. So now let's try a different type of problem. Different type of problem altogether. So 2 times 3 plus 4 times 5. Now, when you look at this problem, there's multiplication, addition, and multiplication.
Yeah.
Which comes first? Do you multiply or do you add first?
We multiply first.
Yes. So you got to start with 2 times 3,
6.
and then 4 times 5,
20.
20. And then you add the numbers together.
23.
6 plus 20,
Oh, sorry. 26.
26. Okay, let's have you try one here. 7 times 4 plus 3 times 8.
Okay.
How are you doing with the multiplication?
I kind of got stuck with the adding part.
What is 7 times 4?
8,
I'm sorry,
28,
28. Okay, and then 3 times 8.
24.
Okay, so you should add them up vertically. Did you write them this way? If you haven't, probably
No,
good to
not,
do. Probably
yeah,
good to
not
do
this
that.
way though.
Definitely want to always add vertically.
Okay. 2, 1. Is it 52?
Let's say that again. 52.
52.
Yes, yes. Very good.
I
Okay,
got the yeah.
okay, let's try another one here. Okay, so this problem has addition, division, and subtraction. Which do you do first?
Do that division.
Yes. So what is
Division
3?
first.
Yes. So what is 3 divided by 1?
3 divided by 1. 3.
3. So this is 1 plus 3 minus 2. Now, whenever you have addition and subtraction, you just work them left to right.
No.
So you start by adding 1 plus 3 together.
Okay. 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. We subtracted by 2.
So you add and then you subtract.
Okay, so that's 2.
2. Good. Okay, so let's talk about, let's do another problem here. Let's go 14 minus 7 divided by 1 plus 3. Could you try this one on your own, please? And of course, if you have questions, please ask.
Okay. Is it 9?
So your answer is 9. I'm not sure. Let's do this together. 7 divided by 1 is 7.
Uh-huh.
14 minus 7 plus 3. So whenever you have addition and subtraction, you just work them left to right. So you first subtract. What is 14 minus 7? Maybe this is, say that again.
7.
7 plus 3.
Mhm.
See how I'm underlining the ones that I'm working on each time?
Yeah.
Really helps to not get distracted by all the other things. What is 7 plus 3?
10.
10. Yeah. You ready to do another one?
Yes.
Okay. 5 times 2 minus 3 times 1.
Okay.
So give this one a try, please. You're going to always do multiplication before addition and subtraction.
Yeah. I have one question about this
Yep.
one.
Yes.
So it's 5 times 2, right?
Yes.
And then after the subtraction, is it 2 minus
No.
3, or do we have to bring it down first?
Well, I would bring it if I would bring it down first,
Okay.
but you still multiply before you subtract.
Okay. I have one more question about this one.
Yes.
You know how you brought down 10 subtracted by 3 times 1? Do we have to do 3 times 1 first, or do we have to subtract that?
You multiply before adding and subtracting.
So is it 10 minus 3, or is it 7 minus 3?
Well, you have to multiply first. What is 3 times 1?
3.
Okay, and then you bring the other things down.
Mhm. So
So now
that's
it's 10.
7.
Yes. Okay, so let me know when you get this down. We'll do at least one more.
Okay. I got it down.
All right. So let's go 4 times 5 plus 3 times 2.
Okay. Am I gonna work one on my own?
Yes.
Okay. Is it 26?
Yes. So 4 times 5 is 20. You
Mhm.
bring the other ones down. 3 times 2 is 6. So it's
Mhm.
20 plus 6. So see how you just keep bringing stuff down until you
Yeah.
get down to your last operation. All right, let's do
Yeah.
another one here. What if it's in parentheses? Let's say it's 10 minus 7 in parentheses times 4. What do you do first? What's in parentheses or something else?
Mm,
Do you remember that from class?
no.
Okay, we won't cover that then. All right, well, that will do it for us for today. You can let your brother know that I'm ready for him, and I'll
Okay.
see you guys next week. Hope you have a great rest of your week.
Goodbye. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye now. Hey, Michael.
Hi.
Hope you're doing well today. Just looking at your class now, looks like you're working on multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Did we work on this last time?
I forgot how it was called. Yeah, I think it was like one. It had a one in the bottom thing, and it had a 4 under it.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, I'm opening up your lesson now, and I'll find some problems for us to look at. Before we get to that, let's do a little review here, a little multiplication review. Do you have your multiplication table out?
No.
Okay, well, let's see how much you remember without it. All right, so take a look at these problems here. Can you tell me what any of these equal?
3 times 6 is, yeah, 3 times 6, 18.
Okay, keep going.
3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 2 is 6.
Very good. Awesome. Okay, let's try some mixed review now. Here's some more multiplication for you to look at. It's always good to get a few of these going here.
Okay. So 3 times 7, right?
Yes.
21. 6 times 3 is 18.
Okay, very good.
And 3 times 8 is 24. And
Very good.
2 times 3 is 6.
Very good. Well done. Okay, let me look for some problems for us to work on. All right, here we go. So let's say we have 3 divided by 12 times 9 divided by 1. Do you remember how to simplify this?
No.
So you multiply the numbers on top and then the numbers on the bottom.
Okay.
So you have to be able to multiply, and you can definitely do that. What is 3 times 9?
27.
Okay, and 12 times 1?
12.
Very good. Now from here, you actually need to be able to reduce these fractions. Can you think of a number that goes into both 27 and 12? It's okay if you don't. I'm just asking.
3.
3. You can divide both of these numbers by 3. What is 27 divided by 3?
Mm. Wait, 24.
You're dividing. You're not subtracting, dividing. So it's like this, Michael. 3 times some number equals 27. What number is that?
9.
9. And down here at the bottom, it's 3 times some number equals 12.
4.
Very good. Okay, let's try another problem here. What is 4 divided by 5 times 6 divided by 1?
So you start at the top.
That's right.
6 times 4 is 24.
Okay, and on the bottom?
5 times 1 is 5.
Very good. So now you have to ask yourself, is there a number that goes into both?
Excuse me.
Is there a number that goes into both 24 and 5? And this
No.
one, nope, this one's actually good, just like this. Okay, so here's one for you to try, Michael. What is 2/3 times 7?
So you start at the top. 7 times 2 is 14.
Okay,
And 3 times 1 is 3.
perfect, excellent. Okay, so here's a new problem for us to look at. Let's say it's written like this: 3 times 5 divided by 12.
Okay.
So you can, so the first thing here is that the order doesn't matter. Like the fraction can be second, it can be first, it doesn't matter. Do you remember how to write 3 as a fraction?
Yeah, you just put a 1 under it.
Yeah. And then what do you do from here? You multiply the tops and then you
Okay.
multiply the bottoms.
So 3 times 5 is 15, and 3, and when 2 times, 12 times 1 is 12.
Good. Now, is there a number that goes into both of these?
And no.
So try 3. Does 3 go into both the top number and the bottom number?
Yeah.
Okay. What is 15 divided by 3?
3 divided by what?
Well, are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, 15 divided by 3.
5.
How about 12 divided by 3?
4.
Very good. Okay, so here's another problem to try. 6 divided by 100 times 8 divided by 1.
Okay. So you multiply from the top. 6 times 8 is 48. So, and 100 times 1 is 100.
Okay, so now the first number you try to see if it goes into the top and the bottom is 2.
Okay. No, I don't know.
You got to divide both of these by 2. So think of dividing by 2, Michael, as cutting in half. Can you think of what half of 100 is?
50.
50. How about half of 48?
24.
24, good. And so you try the number again. Like sometimes the number works, so you just try it again. Can you divide both of these by 2?
Yes.
Yes.
So 2 times 12 is 24, and 2 times 20 is 10.
50 divided by 2 is 25.
Oh, yeah. I was confused with that number.
Okay. Good though. This is the final answer though. This is really good. Okay, you ready to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to try this one on your own, please.
Okay. I have a question
Yes.
about 9 can't go into 8, so I forgot to write it down.
Yeah, but you're going to multiply the tops first, just like you did in the previous problem.
Okay. I got an answer.
Okay, what did you get on the top?
I got 27,
And on the bottom?
12.
Okay. Is this your final answer?
Yeah.
Can you find a number that goes into both 27 and 12?
Okay. 2,
How about 3?
9,
Okay. What's the bottom?
3,
12 divided by 3. Try again. So think of it this way. 3 times some number equals 12.
4.
All right. Here's another one to try on your own. And by the way, these are problems from your assignment. So if you are copying these down or taking notes, you'll be able to enter the answers in pretty quickly.
Okay.
So go ahead and give this one a try, please.
Yeah. I I I have trouble with the with the one that I'm doing. Like I have 4 on the top, 44 on the top, and 5 on the bottom.
Good.
I don't know what to do next.
Well, that's everything for this problem.
Okay.
So that's good. Okay, let's try another problem here. Let's try 6/1 times 3 divided by 8. So 6
Okay.
times 3 is 18, and 1 times 8 is 8. So when you want to reduce a fraction, you always start with 2. Does 2 go into both 18 and 8? Can you divide 18 by 2? Can you divide 8 by 2?
Uh, 2 divided by 18 is 9.
Okay, 9 on top, 18 divided by 2. The order matters. You have to go from left to right. How about 8 divided by 2?
4.
Very good. Okay, let's try another one here. Let's say it's 10 times, well, 3 divided by, oh yeah, let's do that. 3 divided by 8.
Yeah.
Can you try this one for me, please?
Yeah, I got my answer.
Did you reduce your answer?
No.
You need to reduce your answer. I'll bet 2 goes into both your numbers on the top and the bottom.
So do I always use 2?
You always try 2 to start. That's always the first number you try. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay. Now I have my multiplication chart. So mine could only go to 12. So
Well, then you
as
go to
well.
long division here. 2 into 30 like this. Or again, you think about, well, dividing by 2 means cutting it in half. Division by 2 is like cutting in half.
Okay. 1.
No, you've got to find the answer.
Oh.
Do you have an answer, Michael, for 30 divided by 2?
Yeah, I think I did the long division too quick, so I got 10, but I know that isn't the answer.
Okay, well, 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. When you subtract, 3 minus 2 is 1, and you bring the 0 down. How many times does 2 go into 10?
5.
5 times.
Oh, that was the part that I got wrong.
Okay, you're almost there. What is 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. Good. Perfect. All right, let's see what else. Up here's your next problem. 20 times 2 divided by 3. Okay, so go ahead and give this a try, please.
Do I gotta reproduce for this one now?
Say that again.
Do I gotta, produce?
Well, tell me what you get on the top and the bottom first.
Okay.
Say that again.
I can nothing.
Okay, let me know when you get the number for the top and for the bottom.
And yeah. So I have a question about
Did you get
2.
40? Did you get 40 over 3?
Yeah.
Okay. This is it. You're done.
Yeah. I had a question about
What's your question?
long division.
Okay.
So so because can we work long division tomorrow or
Yeah, we'll work on long division next time. Just remind me on Monday.
okay?
All right. Well, that'll do it for us for today, Michael. Thank you so much. I'll see you on Monday, and we will definitely do some long division. Just remind me, okay?
Okay.
All
Bye.
right. Have a great weekend. Bye now.
Bye.